Gadgets are becoming a part of our everyday life. As technology advances, so do these gadgets. And right now is the best time to think about making your home a smart home. We've compiled the new crop of high-tech gadgets that promise to change your life forever. And we found some products that are truly innovative and offer real benefits. So, in this video, we're going to tell you the top 10 coolest Amazon gadgets for your room that are worth buying. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. You'll find awesome things for your bedroom that's both fun, functional, and practical. When you decorate your bedroom with the items in this category, you'll want to invite everyone into your room to take a look at all your cool stuff. Before starting the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 10. Levitating Moonlight. Enjoy the radiant glow of a full moon every single night by placing this levitating moonlight in your bedroom. A lamp in the shape of the moon is filled with state-of-the-art 3D printing technology designed according to NASA's satellite images. It's a lifelike replica of the moon's craters, textures, and fields. It has two different colors, yellow and white. The moon lamp uses wireless electricity technology so it can be lit even while levitated. Also, it can be horizontally rotated 360 degrees with the hand. Some of the lamps have a remote control that reaches up to 10 meters and can change the color or the brightness of the color. Such a nice gadget to have or to make as a gift for someone you love. Number 9. NFL Electric Football. If you're a fan of the NFL, then this thing will not only decorate your room but also will teach you the ins and outs of football rules, formations, and strategies as you play. At first, this classic game seems almost too simple. You and your opponent lay out your players, turn on the vibrating surface, and then hope you're running back, shimmying your way to the end zone without getting bumped. But it's a game of strategy. Not only do you carefully plan out formations for your figures, you aim them where you want them to go and even change their cleats for different effects. This set includes 11 red players and 11 white players with the NFL stickers that let you create your favorite teams. Number 8. UV Smartphone Sanitizer. Our phones gather all the bacteria we touch throughout the day, and then they're stored in warm and dark places like purses and pockets, leaving the bacteria to breed and grow. They are the third hand we never wash. Using this gadget on a regular basis will help keep germs and illness at bay. Phone soap houses two scientifically proven germicidal UVC bulbs that completely sanitize your entire phone, killing 99.99% of all bacteria and germs. Phone soap was built to accommodate all smartphones, including larger models. The USB and USB-C ports in the back of the unit offer universal charging to all devices. You're gonna charge your phone every night anyway, you can sanitize it as well. The phone soap was created with smartphones in mind, but will sanitize anything that fits inside. Smartwatches, headphones, keys, you name it. Number 7. The TableTop Fireplace. Have you always dreamed of having your own fireplace but couldn't afford it? Or maybe your house doesn't have enough space to install one? Look at this liquid-fueled portable fireplace that rests on any stable surface and provides the color, charm, and comfort of a wood-burning fire without smoke, smells, or sparks. Using recycled liquid ethanol, fuel that emits only water vapor and carbon dioxide, this clean-burning, the portable fireplace offers 3 colors: bright yellow, orange, and red. 7-inch high flame that flickers without fumes, making it suitable for indoor or outdoor use. It covers a 325 square foot area, making it ideal for a big house. 1 liter of liquid ethanol fuel that's not included provides up to 2.5 hours of cozy reposing. Number 6. 8-port Desktop Charging Station Hub. The 8-port Desktop Charging Station Hub is one of the most useful gadgets for your office, room, or trip. This device is perfect to power up to 8 appliances simultaneously at full speed. Its smart USB ports detect your gadget automatically, deliver the fastest possible refill, and stop charging automatically when devices are fully well fed. So the power-up process is going to be fast and completely safe. Equipped with 6 2.4 amps USB ports, Type-C port, and Qualcomm Quick Charge 3 port, which is 4 times faster than standard ones, made of fire-resistant PC shell and a 100% copper wire with a professional management team, certified safety by FCC and ROHS, this thing has overcurrent, overheat, and short-circuit protection. Number 5. All-in-one Supercontroller. Tab Strap 2 is an all-in-one wearable keyboard, mouse, and air gesture controller that enables you to input by using finger taps and air gestures. Tab is engineered from advanced biocompatible materials which allow for free movement and comfort while you input. It comes in two sizes and has a micro-sized battery which provides 10 hours of operation. Wearing a tab feels like stepping into the future. Use it to compose text, navigate, scroll, copy-paste, drag and drop, control media, and play games. The Tap Air mouse enables you to move the cursor and activate it using air gestures. Move your hand in mid-air to move the cursor and flick your fingers to click. You'll be surprised how fun and futuristic it feels. Tap allows vision-free, voice-free communication and control of smartphones and more using just the wave of your hand or tapping your fingers on any surface. Number 4. Artori Design Bookends. This bookend turning an ordinary bookshelf into one-of-a-kind. It has a magnet that's used to suspend the Supergirl in the air, giving the impression of her saving the books from an imminent fall. This bookend is made from sturdy metal to ensure its long-lasting period. Pretty nice. What do you think? Number 3. Magnet Data Cable Desktop. This gadget will be really convenient for your room or office. Both. Yeah, you heard that right. Your room or your office. Magnetic cable clamps are the perfect desktop cable organizer 100%. 3 magnetic buckles with 3 sizes of holes fit almost every iPhone or other smartphone charger cable. Simply place the magnetic base on a flat surface such as a desk, tablet, or other furniture, or in a car, and put the magnetic cable buckles on the pedestal to keep cables neat and tidy. Strong magnets keep cables in place and are easy to remove to use. Number 2. Bubble Wrap Calendar. Have you ever woken up and immediately wanted to destroy something? Of course you have. Here's a bubble calendar that will help you no longer have the urge to ruin your household goods. People love this calendar for the satisfaction they get every time they pop a bubble. The calendar can teach self-control. Each day is covered in a bubble that you can pop throughout the day. Actually, it's a really unusual decoration for your wall. It definitely will catch someone's eye. Number 1. Ecobee 4 Room Sensing Alexa Thermostat. If you're looking for a great addition to your smart home, check out Ecobee 4 Room Sensing Alexa Thermostat. This smart device is designed to maximize your comfort at home, and it delivers. With a room sensor that manages hot and cold spots, this thermostat is built to keep the temperature even in your house. It even has Amazon Alexa technology built right into the hardware. Instead of simply working with Alexa, the Ecobee 4 itself is an Amazon speaker. Not only is it a great thermostat that can save you bundles on your energy bill each month, but it doubles as a conduit to Alexa and its 10,000-strong library of skills. It's easy to install and is self-learning and will adjust your schedule accordingly as it learns how quickly your house heats up and cools down. Its touchscreen display is easy to use and fast to respond to, so you'll have no problem or issues whatsoever. Instead of Nest's predictive algorithm, the Ecobee 4 relies on a remote sensor. Aside from setting the temperature, you can ask this thermostat about the weather, the news, or to order groceries. The device also has powerful speakers and microphones, so you don't need to be near it to give a command. In addition, you can change your temperature on the go with the Ecobee 4 mobile app as well. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video just for you guys.